Alright, so here's a newer York central air conditioner running. I looked at this unit last month and it was actually disconnected. The power was off. So I don't know what's wrong with it. But yeah. I just walked up on it and it's back up and running, so I thought I'd get a video. Fan motor. Sound the best. And you can see it has micro-channel coils. I'm surprised this thing has not got replaced yet. You know how these micro-channel coils work. For the last 5 years. 2024 time. If you want to see another York, like a 2016 one, you just go check out that video that I got, that 2016 5-ton York at that carnival yesterday. So yeah. Alright. So yeah, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one.